People keep asking me, why do I have to quit smoking when I'm having my snoring treatment? We're basically understanding what the effect smoking does to you, to your tissues. This is where the importance comes from. So smoking has a damaging effect on the rejuvenation process of your collagen. Obviously, it's causing irritation to your back of the throat because of the smoke and the heat. All these factors make the back of the throat become more irritated and causing you to snore more. So why don't you try and give smoking? Then you can snore less and live more.